Okay, let's see what's going on there. This is transmission. Yes, transmission leakage. Yes, all over, all here. Transmission leakage. Yeah, so I'm going to fix it. And the steering leakage, you see, condemn. This steering is condemned. What you don't say? Yes, I did it. Eddie the other side, no. Eddie. So I am going to fix this right now. Yeah. Okay. So he's pouring. I'll let it pour finish. Get you guys back on. Okay. So as you can see, it has finished leaking. So this is all we have in this transmission. Look at it. It's not up to 3 liter instead of 8 liter. So we have like 3 liter here. You can see this is pretty bad, and I can see some particle under the, yes, I hope this gearbox has not toasted. Yes, so I am going to remove the bottom plate now, and I'll get you guys back on. So let's get it, remove the bottom plate. Yes, for the transmission. Oh, I just hope this has not toasted. Yes, because I can even hear a lot of smelling here of the engine oil burning ATF. Yes, so I hope using the last bolt. Yeah. Okay, let's drop this. Yeah, so we have engine oil for here. I'm supposed to guide the boat. Yes, I'm supposed to guide the boat. It's going. So right now I'll allow it to drop finish, then yes, just get out. Okay, bring them out the bottom plate. Okay, not really bad. Yes, but the engine oil is really short. Yes, it's really short, man. Too short. So let's examine it. This is the magnet You can see, you see a lot of carbon there. You see that? This is a lot of carbon. Yeah, that's one. We're going to check the bottom plate. Yeah, you can see a lot of dirt here, a lot. So you see that? You see, this is pretty bad. Yes, this is carbon has chopped out. Okay, so right now we are going to try our best. Yes, going to clean it up, clean the filter up, and you see that this scared me a lot. Look at, yeah, this scary. So we're going to try our best and put another filter, put another good engine and ATF, then I'll tight it back. We'll see what we get. Sound under it, so it can never lap. I'm going to fix it and retain the gasket back. Get the gas back on. I'm still getting out. Guys, how are you doing, guys? Don't say hello to me. tie it. Yes. Yeah, has already been opened. Yes, so we're going to